I'm gonna give you a tutorial how to put this exhaust there, right here. So I'll give you a tutorial. Alright. This one. First thing, you need to you see this wire? You're gonna have to put like this. Right? Then you put it inside. Then you just push it until you hit this one, this thing. So if it's okay, if it hits, it will sound like this. Okay, 3, 1. It sounds like that. Hello. Cool, right? Yeah, and that's how you it. Okay, have fun and try it.